Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Iwan tang berpenpau
Long kaji semua jungi mak susah berpenpau.
Pak Preston meneni iong bawa dia syok beri surok wan ye kenduk sekat teriak. Ting iwan mentawan ye kenduk. Ngidon gi mak jing dawa gi jongi ngi kwak berpenpau mak jong. Section 144 is for rally and procession. Ini pemiak rally ngi pemiak procession.
Ini gathering of 5 or more. Pe hang ni ni tam ni ta sipau du.
Jiwan jong kibli jiwan.
Ini kumlu yang kibli. Kenapa
ini pengennya berpau ya. Kim Syak ini begini dia. Nyap berpau jing dawa ka jong ni.
Ulang cuba slow dan
Mentang ini maksud ini slow kita dawa ka jong ni. Benar appointment. Khot ini.
Khot mau.
Khot mau khot menen. Wang naya syok beri surok. Wan ye kenduk yang sekat teriak. Jadi kita mau ikmat ki jong ni don ka hok berpau iki. Kalau kita orang bangim don hok tu fine insyaallah. Lakat penpau bagi dawa, Yusuf penpau kecing dawa kan ni tu boleh. Makir kita hok kolong ngom ikmat.
20
Kikinhun sang bahalang bapher bakun thup yak HYC, HENM, ENGC, JSM, Kakop, bat kwepat kilami kensan hasurok ba banyai rally da kajingmut bantur sekretariat. Handi kipulit kilabat no yaki #lenti. Kidan kikinhun ki basabat ha IGP bat kidan pat ki basabat hajan DC office. Kaman chwa ki noyalam kilapen bana ban sam kotling kedop hamwat pharan. Handai namar ba lapen jadi da section 144 CRPC. Kilapan kelano daga barai ban lech sekretariat banyak kendu yu menteri rangba kumjo yu sembut menteri rangba ban pensengau ye kimat jong ka safe new trap mission kibabuan kita khat jong kiseng bahalang kila sabat no #lenti ban la pelai tangai ki noyalam bandung sepo sekretariat ban le ekran
Yang ni apa? Session bangi khamiak rally.
Halo.
Terus tu rally ni iwan berpenpau yang ka yu jongi.
Syam. Hey please. Hey please. Hey what? Dawai ka hok jok long. Dawai ka hok jok. Dawai ka hok jok long. Jai. Ini keren. Ini keren saya. Ya keren. Hai blok yang ni aja. Boleh. Hey, pikiran ini. We want
want. He said that people come and meet me in the
We're not here to beat people around.
You take appointment,
We are
you
here
take permission,
to meet
then
them.
you can go.
He called us.
But this is an order. This is an order.
He called us.
He will decide this one. He called you, then you call him now. If he's there, come here. If he's there, then you call him.
Guardia,
We won't disturb people.
Any procession, any gathering of 5 or more.
No procession, no rally. No procession, no rally.
If you take permission, I'll escort you myself.
This is not a rally. He called us yesterday. We are here to
And
meet
you taken
them.
permission.
What permission?
They'll let you go.
They are public servants.
They are public servant. They
We
are
are public servant. We are serving public only.
Ma'am, to meet a representative, to meet a minister, do we need permission from DC? No. Look, Section 144 is for a rally and a procession.
You cannot
This is
assemble
not
more than 5. You cannot assemble as per section 140. Yes.
assembly. Yes,
You are assembling. You are
rally and
assembling. You
procession.
are assembling.
Rally and procession.
Any kind of assembly, any kind of assembly, any kind of procession.
But we are here to meet a
No, you
representative.
meet individually. You go. I will allow you. You go.
They will all not go. We'll go as leader. No, we are not those people. We are not those people.
Apply, jual alai gitu.
Kikali gini ya.
Kabut itu kayak tadi bang, apa dulu bang? Begitu kalau lagi ya. No Baik jangan pan ada ulang. Anu gini. Ani ulang.
This is the bigger section of the road. Narrower point than this.
Allow us to stand.
Here I'm giving you, this is a bigger point, this is for traffic.
Restrain. Don't touch. Don't touch. Siapa yang